Welcome to DJH. We've just acquired this lovely new shape, a Volvo V60 Momentum. Absolutely lovely condition. It drives absolutely superb and looks nothing like its age or mileage. It's in fantastic condition throughout. To show you, there's no even stone chips on the bonnet. Wheels are in superb condition. Looks like it's done about 20,000–30,000 miles to me, if that. It's beautiful condition. Rear park distance control. Boot area, absolutely stunning condition. You've got the original carpet mats as well. You can see all the door shuts are immaculate. Electric tailgate. I am really struggling to find any marks on the car. It's in lovely condition. Very price range, being the new shape. The mileage makes it very cheap. Full leather interior, look at that, absolutely unmarked. Head restraints, let's just put them up. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got memory seats, it's got heated seats, it's got electric seats. No wear on the bolster there whatsoever. Absolutely stunning, this car is. I'll just start it up. It's done 113,776 miles, although you wouldn't believe it. To look at, it's got cruise control, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel, obviously all the facelift inside, auto hold, 6-speed gearbox, got satellite navigation, got heated seats, climate control that's all nice and cold, DAB radio, iCloud. It's got all sorts on this. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's got a lot on it. It is stunning. Really impressed with this car. At DJH, are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.